This is the review on the Verena ML1710. So it is not an original cartridge, but in Flipkart I was getting in a lower price as compared to the Amazon. In Amazon it was charging around 1400, and in Flipkart I got it for 1000, so I took it from there. First of all, you have to remove this protection, and then you just remove your old cartridge and use the new one. What the? Okay. Just gonna print something just to show, just to check if it's working or not. Verena cartridge are certified by Flipkart and Amazon, so I'm pretty sure the quality will be as per your requirement. So this is the first print. This is from the residue that has already been there in the drum. As per the price, the quality is good.
Print new page.
Can I reuse this as well?
Only. Print bakang bundak no?
So I'm printing another page which has page number in it, or which has photos. So that is the quality of the printing. As you can see, the photos doesn't have stripes or lines, so the quality is good enough for your documentation work.